Have you ever noticed how quickly your money disappears? You earn a decent salary after taxes, and yet by the middle of the month, it feels like everything is gone. Rent, car payments, student loans, groceries, credit cards, and somehow there's almost nothing left. Imagine this. You earn $3,500 a month after taxes. Your rent is $1,200. A modest car loan takes $400. Student loans, $250. Utilities and groceries, another $800. Even if you try to be frugal, that leaves $600. That's barely enough for anything extra. And yet, most young adults treat those remaining dollars as free money. They spend on gadgets, trendy clothes, dinners out, or subscription services. Each purchase feels small, harmless, even necessary, but over years, it adds up. Many people make the mistake of confusing lifestyle with progress. A new apartment or a slightly nicer car gives the illusion of moving forward, but in reality, it doesn't build wealth. Let's look at this logically. Suppose you get a $500 raise. Your instinct is to upgrade your car or your apartment. The math is simple. Spend $400 on the car, leave $100 extra for savings. Over 10 years, that upgraded car costs you roughly $66,000 when you factor in interest, insurance, and maintenance. But if you had invested that same $400 each month in a low-cost index fund, earning a conservative 7% annual return, it would grow to over $75,000. That's the invisible cost most people ignore. The reason we fall into this trap isn't stupidity, it's psychology. Humans are wired to prefer immediate rewards over delayed gains. That new phone or fashionable bag gives instant satisfaction. A bank statement showing your investment growing silently does not. The brain underestimates how much these small, consistent decisions will matter decades later. Financially intelligent people think differently. They focus on purchases and investments that appreciate or at least maintain value over time. They spend money on things that last or generate income, not just items that look good for a moment. They might invest in their education, pay off high-interest debt early, or consistently contribute to retirement accounts. These choices aren't exciting. There's no rush of satisfaction when you make them, but over 10 or 20 years, they quietly create a massive difference. Consider the cost of ignoring this logic. One extra car lease, a few dining experiences a week, a new smartphone every 2 years. It doesn't feel like much now, but multiply it over 10 years and the total becomes staggering. On the other hand, if you make slightly smarter decisions, if you choose durable investments over fleeting pleasures, those same 10 years can build a foundation of wealth that compounds quietly, invisibly, almost effortlessly. It's not about getting rich fast, it's about understanding the real cost of small choices. When you start thinking in decades rather than months, you start to see the patterns. You notice how easily lifestyle inflation eats away at your potential. You recognize that the extra latte, the slightly fancier car, the constant subscription upgrades, they are small, but their cumulative effect is significant. The people who end up financially comfortable are not necessarily earning more than you, they're simply making different choices. They understand that wealth isn't just a number on a bank statement, it's the freedom that comes from having options, from not being forced to make decisions under financial stress. They think in terms of future opportunity, not instant gratification. So the question becomes, what are the smart things to buy in your 20s if you want wealth later? Not flashy items or status symbols, not things that impress others. Instead, focus on things that increase your options, skills that improve your earning potential, experiences that add meaningful value without draining your resources, investments that grow over time, and perhaps most importantly, financial habits that stick. These are the purchases that compound quietly, patiently, and powerfully. By the time you reach your 30s, the difference will be clear. The choices you made in your 20s will either have created a cushion, opportunities, and momentum, or left you scrambling to catch up. The math is simple, the psychology predictable, and the outcome entirely in your hands if you understand the patterns early enough. Wealth isn't a secret or a trick. It's simply about seeing the invisible cost of small, repeated decisions and acting in a way that favors long-term stability over short-term satisfaction. There's no hype, no magic formula, just patience, logic, and the ability to pause before spending. If this perspective helped you see your finances a little more clearly, consider subscribing. Understanding the patterns of money is the first step towards using it wisely, and it only gets more interesting from here.